Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the top 5 booming technologies of 2025. The innovations that are not just trending but completely reshaping industries, jobs, and our everyday lives. 1. Generative AI 2.0. First up, Generative AI 2.0. Forget simple text prompts. We are now seeing multi-modal AI, where tools like GPT 4.0 and Sora by OpenAI can generate text images, videos, and even sound all at once. 2. Agentic AI and autonomous agents. Number 2. Agentic AI. These aren't just tools, they are digital workers. You give them a goal, like build a website or manage my emails, and they figure out how to do it themselves. We are entering an era of autonomous agents, and yes, they are already changing how we work. Use cases: automated filmmaking, smart assistants with emotional intelligence, even AI-driven teachers. 3. Quantum computing acceleration. Quantum computing. Big players like IBM, Google, and startups like PSI Quantum are making breakthroughs that could crack problems even supercomputers can't handle, from simulating molecules to optimizing global logistics. 2025 is the year quantum is going from lab to launch. 4. Spatial computing and XR. Coming in, hot spatial computing. Apple Vision Pro and Meta's XR platforms are pushing the boundaries of how we interact with digital environments. From remote surgery to virtual classrooms, spatial computing is bridging the gap between the physical and digital worlds. 5. Green tech and climate AI. And finally, green tech powered by AI. From carbon capturing drones to AI-driven climate prediction, we are seeing clean energy solutions scale faster than ever. Tech isn't just about profit anymore, it's about survival. These technologies are just trends, they are tectonic shifts. So, which one are you most excited about? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the future of tech. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative. Thanks for watching. Bye.